yà mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ adé ọmọ adé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad la ṣe wà concluding part nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ play ẹ̀ fún yín ẹ máa gbọ́ wíníwíní ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu màmá Kúdí ìyẹ́ Kúdí eléyìí tẹ́ gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn ẹ ti gbọ́ kankan ṣùgbọ́n ẹ máa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ìyẹ́ Kúdí ẹni sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Placenta was not given to Baba. That is where she has issue with Baba. And the reason why she did not release the placenta is not because she owed the placenta to herself. Someone is still saying network.
No, continue.
Is the network still bad?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay. Now, okay, fine. The network is okay. Let me go on. She said that the reason why this issue of, fight happened between Baba Mohbad and herself is because of placenta after she gave birth to Liam. Now, before she gave birth to Liam, Mohbad's father has been a real G. They have, she's been covering Baba Mohbad's back. Baba Mohbad has her back. That if not for Baba Mohbad, she wouldn't have given birth to Liam. That she has issue of birth. And it is Baba Mohbad that gave a kind of, solution to the birth issue. She said Baba Mohbad said they should have fasting and prayer for 7 days, added with some other, spiritual concoction, blood of Jesus water, Holy Ghost water, and the rest. That it was during that time that Baba Mohbad was saying that she gave birth, she conceived, and she gave birth. That for that reason, she lost that man. She now said Baba Mohbad could carry girlfriend, woman friend, to the house in Lekki. That there is a place where Baba and the woman friend used to come. She now said that when she did not release the placenta for Baba Mohbad, Baba thought it was because she doesn't want to release it. But Mohbad himself said that it is because of the fact that the man has different women. Mohbad now told Wumi that he's not going to release the placenta for his father to bury because of so many hands that that the father is not going to bury.
Wait, ẹ má bínú.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn díẹ̀ tó stay ní aṣọ tó dẹ̀ ìgbé àbúrò Mohbad ó sùn sórí aṣọ yẹn for a week. Pé so bóyá nǹkan tí bàbá rí nìyẹn because kò sí there is nothing like ẹ̀jẹ̀ púpọ̀ àbí nǹkan kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó jọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún béèrè lórí ti aṣọ tí wọ́n jù sí inú kinní ẹ̀ pé aṣọ yẹn kí ló lè sọ pa ẹ̀. Ó tún sọ pé aṣọ yẹn pé normal thing gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ pé òun fi aṣọ yẹn pé aṣọ ìfẹ́ ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ́yìn ṣe pé aṣọ ìfẹ́ torí ẹni tó òun nífẹ̀ẹ́ ni pé so kó má gbàgbé òun kó má gbàgbé ìfẹ́ wọn pé meaning aṣọ nìyẹn pé kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó mìíràn nǹkan kan so ó wá ní òun fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kan pé nǹkan tó ti ń wà tóun fẹ́ sọ kí ló fẹ́ sọ ó ní bàbá Mohbad pé girlfriend wọn tí àwọn èèyàn miss tó ń wò pé bóyá òun ni stepmother in-law òun pé òun kọ́ o pé ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni o pé girlfriend yẹn long time girlfriend bàbá Mohbad ni pé òun àtijọ́ tóun ti ní issue pẹ̀lú wọn ni pé ó fẹ́ wá sí ilé àwọn owó wa àlá òkó wa pé ibẹ̀ yẹn lòun ti ṣe bàbá. ewu máa yẹn kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ òun ò lè aláwọ̀ pé kó máa wá kóun dẹ̀ ní stepmother in-law òun kó má di gòbè ní àárín àwọn méjèèjì pé lòun ò ṣe aláwọ̀ wọn bóun ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tóun ṣe pé ìfẹ́ tó wà láàrin òun àti bàbá Mohbad pé ó strong gan débi pé ọmọ tóun bí bàbá yẹn ló mú òun rìn tóun fi rí ọmọ bí pé suddenly lòun kọ̀ rí pé bàbá ń change sóhun pé even lọ́jọ́ tó wálé tán wá wo ọmọ àbí tán ní Mohbad ó wá ní láti gbà yẹn ni bàbá ti ń bínú sóhun tó ti ń bóun jà pé torí girlfriend yẹn ni o pé long time girlfriend pé òun kọ́ ni wọ́n àwọn mother in-law táwọn èèyàn tí stepmother in-law táwọn èèyàn focus lé lórí pé òun kọ́ pé girlfriend yẹn yàtọ̀ sí ẹni yẹn o pé so òun ò ní issue pẹ̀lú stepmother in-law òun pé so nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn pé òun dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ nínú court pé kọ́ bó òun sọ fún bàbá pé reason tí òun ò fi sọ̀rọ̀ látijọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn tí wọ́n drill òun tí wọ́n dẹ̀ embarrass òun tó ń búlé òun pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn wà nínú court yìí tó ń ṣe TikTok pé tóun ò fi sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá ń sọ tó fi embarrass òun tó fi ń yẹ̀yẹ́ òun tóun ò fi lè sun ilé mọ́ débi pé òun lọ sùn bòmíì ni pé reason tóun ò fi sọ̀rọ̀ ni pé torí ọmọ òun Lian pé kí ni ká ti gbọ́ pé ọmọ òun rí òun kóun embarrass bàbá ọkọ òun pé báwo ló yẹ fẹ́ rí pé sọ torí ọmọ yẹn lòun ò ṣe dá bàbá lòun ò ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ lòun ò ṣe sọ anything pé reason nìyẹn pé but àwọn èèyàn continue láti máa embarrass òun láti máa bully òun àwọn nǹkan míì tóun ò ṣe òun kàn máa wo social media òun á kọ́ rí pé wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ sóhun nǹkan tóun ò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ wọ́n kàn ń sọ olúkálukú kàn ń sọ tiẹ̀ pé sóhun ò mọ̀ nǹkan tí òun ṣe fún bàbá to that extent tó fi le tó yẹn pé nígbà táwọn àti Mohbad tó kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley 3 months làwọn fi ń suffer pé Belash mother ló bọ́ àwọn for that 3 months òun ló fáwọn lóúnjẹ pé wọn ò béèrè báwọn ṣe ń live wọn ò béèrè báwọn ṣe ń jẹ òun nìkan lòun protect òun nìkan lòun guide Mohbad lòun ṣe gbogbo wàhálà yẹn pé pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà tóun ṣe kóun mọ nǹkan tóun tún fẹ́ ṣe o pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí aṣọ tọ́nù fẹ́ gbé sí lọ́rùn wọn ní Mohbad ó máa ń sọ nǹkan míì ó dẹ̀ máa ń sọ oríṣiríṣi pé òun gbọ́dọ̀ lòun record ní ọjọ́ yẹn pé torí kò ń believe pé òun máa ń sọ nǹkan tó ń sọ pé kóun lè pf òun dẹ̀ pf ó dẹ̀ ní I'm sorry kó máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ní lẹ́yìn tó bá ti ṣe tán pé látijọ́ tó ti fún ní omi mu ní NDLA ní ó ti ní problem yẹn kó máa ṣe bíi pé ó ní psycho kó máa dá sọ̀rọ̀ kóun nìkan dẹ̀kọ́ ló ṣe sí pé kọ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ dáadé ó ṣe sáwọn náà pé gbogbo wọn ló ṣe síbẹ̀ àtàwọn tó ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ pé so gbogbo nǹkan tó wá ń sọ social media òun ò understand last one ẹ má bínú nǹkan tó wá ba gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ lèmi Wumi wá ní òun suspect pé àbúrò Mohbad máa ń bá gẹ̀ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ pé òun dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n link mọ́ bóyá bí àwọn náírà pé òun wá ń rí pé láti bí ìgbà tó kọ òun kú pé 1 week after òun rí kọ́ ọmọ yẹn ó máa ń receive àwọn strange call á wá lọ wọ́n á kọ́ lọ máa rí pé tán béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ṣe ìgbà tọ́rọ̀ ti ń débẹ̀ ọmọ ti jáde nínú court wọ́n yẹ kí wọ́n wá nìyẹn wọ́n ṣàwádé adájọ́ wa ní wọ́n fẹ́ béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ ló wá náà òun ò wá òkè òun ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ adájọ́ wa ní kí ló mean pé do you want justice for your brother àbí what do you mean tó fi ní ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn sọ̀rọ̀ ni wá nínú ròun pé òun ìjẹun látàárọ̀ ẹ̀mọ̀ ìyá adájọ́ dẹ̀ rí sí pé kí nǹkan kan máa lọ ṣe síbi tó wà ẹ̀ pé bóyá kí wọ́n filẹ̀ kó lọ wà òkè tó bá ti wà òkè kó wá pé so kí wọ́n adjourn case yẹn sí November 15 so ó wà suspicious nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀
so ó dà pé nẹ́tíwọ̀kì king ti lọ so wọ́n ṣà ní àbúrò refuse láti sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ pé nínú òun ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ so wọ́n ṣà filẹ̀ nípò kè wọ́n adjourn case di 17th November 17th fún next hearing so another thing tí king go add mọ́ òun ni pé wọ́n ní ọmọ yẹn tún sọ pé nígbà tóun bímọ pé bàbá placenta ọmọ òun pé bàbá fẹ́ gbà pé Mohbad wá fún wọn pé Mohbad sọ fún wọn pé òun pé kọ́ máa wọrí pé òun máa take care placenta pé sòwúrà para àwọn bc problem díẹ̀díẹ̀ ti wá nìyẹn another thing náà ni pé bàbá máa ń gbé obìnrin wá sí ilé wọ́n máa ń gbé oríṣiríṣi obìnrin wá sí ilé báwọn ibi tóun ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní issue pẹ̀lú bàbá díẹ̀díẹ̀ nìyẹn kí tiẹ̀ ni mo tún sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà ó dá point 3 ni mo make tán ní ọmọ yẹn sọ so it's just all that wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa property because mo rí pretty tó ń béèrè pé what about the land wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa property ikú bàbá ló ń gbọ́rọ̀ property jáde ikú tó pa Mohbad làwọn ọlọ́pàá wà interested in so ọ̀rọ̀ property yẹn I don't think there's anything on it because mi ò rò pé yẹn ti kọ àwọn ọlọ́pàá báyìí wọn kàn fẹ́ mọ nǹkan tó fa ikú wọn ló sọ̀rọ̀ party ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà thank you ìjà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ party wọn sọ pé bí around 7 làwọn dé party yẹn níjọ́ tí ìjà ṣẹlẹ̀ so bàtà àwọn jẹ́ débẹ̀ àwọn Mohbad lọ sórí stage lọ perform òun wà ní mọ́tò tó rògbò ọmọ dání wọn ní kò pẹ́ ni Mohbad dé ló ń bínú bọ̀ ló ní káwọn máa lọlé káwọn máa wọlé pé ó rẹ òun pé òun feel very weak ní pé òun jẹ́ ti máa ń sọ fún prime boy kó má máa embarrass òun níta gbangba pé ó ṣàbínú dà páwọn àti prime boy ti jọ ní ìjà ní bóyá bó ṣe bọ́lẹ̀ lórí stage or something so prime boy also came close so pàtí prime boy dé ní prime boy wá jókòó sínú mọ́tò Mohbad ṣàwà ń bínú pé kò wọlé.
No, prime boy and himself didn't have a fight from stage. Prime boy said they had the fight. He and the wife were having issue, but he doesn't know. He saw them arguing still tilly, but because it's not of his business, like But Mohbad wanted to calm down, in the car. Now this is another story from Wumi. Wumi said Prime Boy and Adura disrespected Prime Boy. So and then what's his name? Mohbad now decided to. That's what Wumi said. Okay, so it's not from up, it's from the car the whole issue started. He was trying to safeguard Prime Boy from, he claimed he was trying to safeguard Prime Boy from, Mohbad from coming down from the car and going to meet this Orasa area boy so they don't hurt him because he was overly high. Oh, yeah, continue.
Wùmí náà wá bọ́lẹ̀ òun lọ pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad tó kù àwọn crew ẹ̀ táwọn jọ wá òun ṣáà lọ pé wọ́n pé Mohbad àti prime boy tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o so báwọn yẹn ṣe dé àwọn yẹn ṣáà sort ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn because àwọn mọ́tò block mọ́tò wọn mọ́lẹ̀ mi ò jẹ́ kán tètè lọ so wọ́n làwọn wá move àwọn wá lọ.
Please be sincere. I want co-counsels on board, please. Those of you that that understand cross-examining, can you see the amateur? Please, what is happening in Nigeria? What is all these stupid questions? Let's even agree that Baba Mohbad, Ìyá Mohbad went there. They talked their own about what they know in the beginning. You understand about their son, background story of how they, What is this inquest about? Cause of death. Many things Wumi had to say there, to be sincere as far as I am concerned. God sees my heart. It's not helping in the cause of death. I can't see any answer. Everything here now, with the way the matter is going, we are left only to the autopsy. Nothing is leading us to the cause of death. Number one, everything Wumi said doesn't seem that Mohbad should even die at all. Is Prime Boy didn't fighting? At least we are cleared from that now. We were told they fought. That means Prime Boy is not lying. Abi? Okay? He wasn't bleeding. It was a slight cut. He woke up not feeling bad. I mean, he was okay. Just slight pain. So, the nurse they brought the nurse to come and kill him. Why did spending? Call a nurse. If the cut is slight. So, they just purposely decided to buy Mohbad. They just purposely decided to buy him. Because really and truly, all this story of Baba Mohbad bringing babes to his son's house, I don't care. It's none of our business. Like I've always said here, Mumio, when Mohbad was alive, she used to drug Mohbad, Wallah, it's none of our business. The only thing it will help do for them is that they will do Liam's DNA. That is Baba Mohbad's business. The reason why we are waiting for this inquest and investigation is that we expected the amateur cross-examiners to ask objective and questions that will lead us to the cause of death. Please, all this rubbish, jagbajantis, they tabled for us about placenta. I beg, what is our business? What is our business? Okay, if she's telling us about placenta now, what is she trying to, like Baba Mohbad have told her that definitely she's an adulterer. That's what he said. He claims. No, he said. So it's an allegation. We wouldn't say we know. So she too now, they've told her, you to say the one you know to counter Baba Mohbad. He carries girlfriends. So, is it the girls that called the nurse that took the life of Mohbad? Okay, she has mentioned it now, so that the stepmother too in the house will fight Baba Mohbad. So because maybe that one doesn't know that Baba Mohbad comes with girls to the house. What has he helped us with? Even that means that Mohbad saw his promiscuity, because they said Mohbad too, they carry babes. So he saw it from the father. Abi? Oh, he said, that is very true. We don't need DNA for Mohbad. Oh, Baba Iloti that she doesn't have problem with stepmother. The person we have seen is the girlfriend. And so, is it the girlfriend that pied Mohbad? What pied Mohbad? The sister to the auntie to her husband, you understand, said they saw blood. She is now saying, they said, no, it's not really blood, it was slight. If Baba Mohbad said he saw blood like that, and the sister to Baba Ìyá Mohbad said the same, you notice she's not in court today. And you notice Wumi's sister too, they are not in court. But Mama Mohbad is already fighting the sister, and who cares? That's their bloody business. We don't care. I don't. The only concern I have, the placenta is for response on the genesis of her problem with Baba Mohbad. Yeah, yes, but Baba Mohbad is not saying that that's the genesis of their problem. The Baba Mohbad is saying the son used to tell him and he used to reconcile them. He wanted to run with the kids. And if it's true that it is Baba Mohbad that took her to where, if it's not manipulation, that is Baba Mohbad that took her, she gave credit to Baba Mohbad as being the one praying with her, carrying her everywhere. So don't you think he has a right to say, bring the placenta, Jackie no bury? So what if the placenta is a ritual? Let's help them to analyze it. If it is true, Baba Mohbad is the one that took her. If not for him, she wouldn't get pregnant, she claims. So if he asks for the placenta, then no bury placenta or mommy. Is that not normal? That is normal now. If she giving credit to him, that she had problem in taking in, and now Baba Mohbad said, it's always the elderly ones that take placenta. What a man sure sini, only bo she man she. And of course, Mohbad is 20-something. What does he know? And now she has told them that it was the son. That means Mohbad was the one ridiculing the father for the wife. Mohbad, no ridicule, bye-bye. Let me tell you people one thing. When you say your father is nothing, that's how, whatever is happening now, it's as a result of how you children, how you wife, husband, what you tell your partner about your parents. That same man is the man that took her to where they prayed and did everything for her. Now the child came. He now said, baby, omowa. Is that a crime? Is that a crime? Because people are not hearing the part that she gave the credit to him. So it is Mohbad that, the same way the man said, is how he understood it. The same way the man said, please let me finish talking before you start to call him, please. The same way the man said, when they wanted to wed, they did not inform me that it would be wedding. Until I got there, at the engagement, I got there. When I got there, I now found that hundreds of people would change here. I said it here. I said, Mohbad, this way Wumi is carrying her mother, allowing her mother to go and help them buy land, to go and be putting the name of the land, the property in Liam's name. She's involving her mother, carrying her mother like this. Mohbad is belittling his father. Be warned. If she can be going to the man can be carrying her to places where shadow. She didn't sick Mohbad himself didn't sick wasile. You know, many of you will never tell yourselves the truth. You won't tell yourself the truth. If you have seen the love of a father, you wouldn't say Baba Mohbad asking for placenta of his grandchild is a big deal. It's nothing. But however way you choose to look at it, that is still, I will still say, their business. That one, it not concern us. Waiting concern us. Waiting concern us. Me, I will say it. When I gave birth to my child, my mother was the one that went to bury my child's placenta. Mind you, I was a lone parent. Okay? It depends on who you are close. Grandma, I didn't go and bury it. And the father of my child wasn't giving the placenta. It is whom I allowed to take it is my mother. Because they are the ones that are my own. And anyway, I wasn't married. That's my own. So if my mother now, I give my grandchild, what will she use the placenta for? You know, many of you don't have the love of a father, so you will support what is happening. You don't have love of father or maybe love of husband. You don't know the man aspect of people's life. You don't want to hear it. So I don't even care. I'm not ready to convince people on that. It's how you do it in your house is different from the way I do it in my house or from the way I see things. I mean, man, woman, I love. I've been privileged to see a good father. I have a very good father. So, and I will always support men, and I have a very fantastic mother. I will always support. But when I see shortcoming from a man, I will point it out and say, no, me, I don't see anything wrong in grandpa asking for Ibiomo when Mohbad himself is a baby. His baby, Mohbad tell you ring a show, oh, Tigbo. Mohbad is a baby. Baby don't be baby. If they find out, go and find out. Does even Mohbad know where they put the Ibiomo? He's gone now. He probably doesn't know Ibiomo Yesi. He probably doesn't know. But because he's dead, they say that it's Mohbad that said so. Who will wake Mohbad up to tell us that story is true or lies? Because Mohbad is dead. Because I believe if the Mohbad that we hear the story between him and the father, the moment he will give it to his father. Daddy, hello, it's nothing. Because the father is elderly and the father did his son. Mohbad that is now a great man today. We saw him alive too. If Baba Mohbad didn't rebuild Mohbad and did not do it right, will she meet Mohbad, the glorious boy? Will Baba, Mama Wumi and everybody spending and all this Naira money, will they ever know the boy? Shebi ba yen náà ló tọ́jú Mohbad. Ó bá fẹ́ bayé ẹ̀jẹ́, ṣé kò tí ní bàjẹ́ ni? Is it not when he mixed up in the world? That is when they were able to destroy him. There's nothing wrong in that. All those ones you people are fighting about, I do not see any lakuregbe thing in it. It's not big deal to me. Grandpa asking for Ibiomo. It's many of you that don't have the father love and you don't trust your fathers that can be thinking otherwise. Me, I don't see any big deal in it. Me, I do not see any big deal in it. My father can Ibiomo or mommy. It's nothing to me. I trust you. He that did my own. What will he do to my children's son? Please. That's by the side. She knows why she said it in the court of law. They should use that and tell us if with that story now, waiting by Mohbad. If Mohbad, with all the simplicity and all what she said, if all what she said is that simple, why did they call a nurse for Mohbad? Why did they call a nurse for Mohbad? If it's so simple like this, it was nothing. So they just decided to call a nurse. Why the spending intrude into their privacy? Tending will stay long in the prison and the nurse. Because when the nurse got there, that's the question we've been asking. At least now we know. You know we were asking. Because we were of the belief that he was in excruciating pains. He was in pains. That is what we were told. In fact, the police also said he was in excruciating pains. Now, Mohbad's wife says he was fine. He was just in slight pain. And the court is not mild, nothing. When the nurse got there, she should obviously would have told them, what did she meet? Rotten Abby, what did she meet? She says now that they passed the drip, gave him intravenous injection. Sorry. Yeah? She says, gave him intravenous injection. But when they asked her where she was, she said she was in the kitchen cooking. So she wasn't with him. So maybe they told him. Abby, they told her because she wasn't there. She doesn't know if, So when were they able, maybe they talk later. Because she was in the kitchen cooking. She wasn't there. So they left Mohbad to the woman to give injection. She said he peed on himself. But later I think they said he walked to the toilet to go and pee and to go and throw up. That's a roll. Come and scatter. And see, they said even lawyers confirm in court today is not big deal because I didn't even know that lawyers said so. I'm telling you, it's not a big deal. It's people that don't have fatherly love that will be saying, what's his father's business? All these things I don't understand. It's not a big deal. So that one, I don't know why they told her to, or she thought to say it, but that's okay. That's okay. where I'm coming from, yeah, I heard from another person that they started fight in the car because that was when Imole received mail that his Canadian visa is out to surprise Bella in Canada, and Wumi was not aware. I don't know. Prime Boy said they were both having arguments. The reason why they are having arguments, Betty, we don't know. Prime Boy said it, that the two of them were having argument, but they don't know the reason. Now, she has already said that this person's brother talks to one person. Adura talks to Mohbad's brother talks to one person. Didn't she tell Mohbad's brother that she's coming to say that one in the court, that one now form, I want to faint, I haven't eaten? Why did he form I want to faint? Because you, that Adura, they have accused, she has said something about you. Now, what was that thing she said? You understand? Because another story we heard is that Mohbad impregnated somebody. Now, you have said it's visa. We don't know if all those things are true. But I would have expected Wumi to clearly tell us, because if this is the story she was going to say in the court of law, and they have already said all this story now, only that she downplayed a lot of things. Where she downplayed is the excruciating pain, and the hand was swollen. Didn't you people see the hand? Mohbad's hand? The hand was swollen, the hand was shaking like this. It's the cut. The hand was swollen, the hand was shaking like this. It was really swollen. Glaringly swollen. It wasn't, it's for her to say Mohbad wasn't in any pains. It was just slight pain. It was okay. Ha. The father was not there. He also was asking where his son. I'm still confused what placenta has anything to do with the cause of the Cass, forget that placenta thing. That was just distraction. The whole thing is not adding on. No. Good evening, Yekudi Culture and everyone. Good evening, Victoria. Now, the part that I want you people to ask me and I want to ask you is that in everything Wumi told us today, did it, Adura Aloba, you better behave? No, he has to talk because Wumi said he's been communicating with who? With who? Is it the nurse or who? And they called him to come and testify. Who is the person? And he said he's not feeling well to talk. Prime Boy said two different stories. He first said he gave Mohbad blow. Please, Prime Boys matter. Hello? Those of you become the story Prime Boy told us remains. Wumi too have come to testify to it. If there's anything, the court should they should find out from the court of law. What he said to us, Wumi now come to even downplay it. Police said another thing. Police, don't mean it on Prime Boy's talk. Police also said another thing. They said Mohbad wanted to punch and he missed the punch, and his fist, he punched the car, and his hand why not hold on to the police too? Why many stories? Why are the stories too many? Don't mean it on Prime Boy alone. Mean it on all. In fact, GLB told us Prime Boy jazzed him. Was the one that used jazz on him. GLB said Naira Marley sent Prime Boy. Prime Boy had been. So don't mean it on Prime Boy saying two stories. Talk about all of them. They are all criminals. Can you see that Naira Marley in this case is not prominent anymore? Can you see that Naira Marley, the way it was, we were directed to them. In fact, Sam Larry, they not even mention them at all. Okay, maybe the next sitting. Maybe on the next sitting. But now, the part of Naira Marley, she etinri. Pe ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, because Eddie has soto, let us say the truth and let allow Satan to be ashamed of itself. The truth still remains. The cause of death, aside the autopsy, is between Wumi down to his RIP. Wumi's his brother-in-law, Adura, spending, nurse, BM, waiting. Àwọn àti Tony Dreadlocks yẹn mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ ẹ̀. They are the ones that buy Mohbad. They are the ones. One person must come and tell us the truth out of all of them. I've removed Prime Boy. The fact that they can even release Naira Marley and Sam Larry on bail, granted bail. The people now, even Prime Boy too, you will see is going to come out. Whoa, low ni what you work. If they want this one to bring 20 million, where will he see it? 3 shorty with one with landed property, where will he see it? It's better it stays there till the case concludes. The killers is from the wife to Adura, Mohbad's brother. They are the killers. They should tell us what happened. I've been stylishly saying they are prime suspects. That one is the truth. Yeah, but at the end of the day, if they are not going to be going to court and be telling us about placenta, and they're asking Mohbad's brother to come and tell us what he's having, he wants to faint, we are going to change it for him. I'ma change here for him. We will say that ẹ̀yin lẹ pa. Maybe when we say that, una go confess. Sọ fún wa. Ni what really happened? Because this story, downplay Wumi, the downplaying of Mohbad's mood is giving me shock. I was expecting to hear you say, and he woke up after Prime Boy hit him. Like they say, okay, whatever you say, you don't know what he used in hitting him. The hand swole. From there, we were looking for nurse. The hand, at least you have to tell us why the hand is swollen and why they saw blood here and there in the house. You said that Prime Boy's brother, Mohbad's brother slept on. You people didn't hear the part. Hear it now. When they ask about the blood, they said that Mohbad's brother was sleeping on the blood. It's not. Fair for him. Bonnie.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn díẹ̀ tó stay ní aṣọ tó dẹ̀ ìgbà àbúrò Mohbad ó sùn sórí aṣọ yẹn for a week. Pé so bóyá nǹkan tí bàbá rí nìyẹn because kò sí there is nothing like ẹ̀jẹ̀ púpọ̀ àbí nǹkan kan wà ńbẹ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó jọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún béèrè lórí ti aṣọ.
Did you hear ẹ̀jẹ̀ díẹ̀? They said even the blood, Mohbad's brother kept on sleeping on the blood. That is the slight blood that that's Mohbad's brother kept on sleeping. Meanwhile, Mohbad said he saw blood, clothes soaked in blood. Meanwhile, Wumi said the blood is slight. Even Mohbad's brother was sleeping.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn díẹ̀ tó stay ní aṣọ tó dẹ̀ ìgbà àbúrò Mohbad ó sùn sórí aṣọ yẹn for a week. Pé so bóyá nǹkan tí bàbá rí nìyẹn because kò sí there is nothing like ẹ̀jẹ̀ púpọ̀ àbí nǹkan kan wà ńbẹ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó jọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún béèrè lórí ti aṣọ tí wọ́n jù sí inú kinní ẹ̀ pé aṣọ yẹn kí ló lè sọ pa ẹ̀. Ó tún sọ pé aṣọ yẹn pé normal thing gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ pé.
Fatima, what do you mean by that is a very serious allegation? What do you mean? What do you mean by that's a serious allegation? So when we said Baba Mohbad by his son, it wasn't a serious allegation. You better get out of here. Fatima Uthman, you better get out of here. You better get out of here. Okay? You better get out of here. I'm not ready to romance any of you. I'm not ready to romance you people. When we were holding the father as spying Mohbad, I bet you were happy. I don't want anybody to come here and come here and be patronizing. You better get out of here. Go to where they need people like you. You know you people have caucus and camp. Go there. Okay? As far as I'm concerned now, this story, Mohbad's wife went to tell them in the court of law, and the cross-examiner, please, re-cross-examine Wumi and co. And Mohbad, all of you people killed Mohbad. So Mohbad wasn't even sick. He had slight cut. He was good. To come and kill him. How dare you people? So you people purposely so there was nothing wrong with his hand. He was okay. You people now called auxiliary nurse. Yeah, he was fine. For no just reason. It's here. Evidence is here. How can you say the court was okay? Nothing was wrong with him. So the swollen are nothing. He woke up hale and nothing. He played with people. And you people, purposely, why didn't you then wait for his nurse? When you called his nurse and the nurse wasn't available, his own nurse, why didn't you wait? Then Spendi went to get, that means it's true. You people killed him. Fatima, don't let God begin to punish you for what it's none of your business. Okay? Don't let God punish you. Fatima Uthman. Just leave this Mohbad's case for we that we are really feeling it. Leave it, okay? Leave it for those of us really feeling it. Leave it, oh. Don't bring any useless sentiments and emotion on here. I don't want to hear you people. Get out of here. Go to where they can take your sentiment. I don't want any sentiment here. So you people saw that Mohbad, nothing was wrong with him. And they pay auxiliary nurse. And they mú ẹ̀mí ọmọ yẹn. He was fine. He was okay. Abi, is it not the testimony that we are hearing here? Is it not the testimony we are hearing here? Nothing was wrong with Mohbad. Nothing was wrong with Mohbad. The hand was from GLB now. And we saw the tattoo, Mohbad's tattoo. If you know Mohbad's tattoo, you will see the hand. Go and check it. And so, you people called a nurse from Cotonou. If nothing was wrong with him, why didn't you wait for his nurse? Now. You understand? I'm in pains. Una just kill that boy. Egba, you Wumi, you allowed a common PA spending. You people will go to jail. Yes, you are all going to jail. You are going to go to jail. I'm not even pitying the nurse anymore. Tori mo tin ronu pa, boya nurse you are infested. Spending, you will die in jail. So you saw that Mohbad had nothing so serious. It wasn't something to what you went to get your fake nurse and the cut shot that boy's life at his prime age. If it is true, this story that he got his visa to Canada, if it is true, are you people saying what I am saying? So he wasn't in pains. It was a slight cut. The thing wasn't, it was okay. And una still allow auxiliary nurse to touch that boy. Long. I'm coming, people. I'm coming. Because it's so obvious that someone somewhere didn't want him to progress. More like didn't want him to escape to Canada. I'm confused. Hey, understand? Did you people hear the side that Wumi said that it was fine? So why did you people call a nurse? You understand? And if he had his own nurse, why didn't you people wait? Why didn't you people wait? You understand? Why didn't you people wait for his own nurse, who obviously would be a professional? You understand? Or a registered nurse, we call them here. You know, as opposed to auxiliary. If the case wasn't that put off lights in Gogonina. But you know, crime said they didn't allow his friend in when he wanted to pick his load. If that is truth, then the knife they gave him anti-tetanus. I don't know. I don't want us to guess. But Wumi's testimony in the court calls for concern. Do you understand? Assuming she told us that, you know, like to me, as if she's trying to cover up for somebody. Maybe herself, maybe somebody. Because you can't tell me Mohbad woke up fine, okay, and you people are looking for nurse. And the police told us at first that he was in excruciating pains. In fact, we listened to it. I think people didn't hear it with us. In fact, the police said he was bleeding. Didn't you people hear? Huh? You people didn't hear the police report that time. They spoke, they did conference. This is how he plays her. Wumi and Mohbad fought that night. The brother Adura hit Mohbad in defense of Wumi. I don't know. I don't know. She said that Dura was sleeping with the cloth of the... No, it's not rewatch. It's not rewatch. I'm not going to go and look for the police report. Don't go. I can't play the police report. Go and Google it. Just say the report. Go and Google it. You'll find it. Go and Google it. Jacinta, you've seen it. Go and Google it. Go and listen to the police report. I'm not going to replay anything. Go and take you to do research. Go and Google and listen to what police said. The report they gave us. Now, Wumi said here to them in the court of law.
We're still listening to now. So Wumi was the first tired, but he could not leave because so many cars were parked behind his car. The bouncer told him to wait till other artists performed. So in the other artists performed to get the opportunity to move out. After waiting for an hour, he became restless and uncomfortable. After some time, he wanted to go downstairs to speak with the bouncer. But she told him no, because she knows it will not end well. Mohbad called Prime Boy and his brother to speak with the bouncer to allow him out. Prime Boy came back and was angry because Adura disrespected him, which led to an argument between Mohbad and Prime Boy. Mohbad told Prime Boy not to disrespect him whenever they are outside. This resulted in a fight between Prime Boy and Mohbad, and she rushed out to call his workers to help him and help her to resolve the fight. She said Prime Boy was seated in the car. Mohbad was standing while they were fighting, which led to Mohbad sustain a minor injury.
Did you hear that? Minor injury. You see how she downplayed the injury. Did you understand?
Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin olóyè èèyàn ẹ pọ̀ lórí ìkànnì Adéọmọadé. Ẹ pọ̀ lórí ìkànnì Adéọmọadé. Pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, ǹjẹ́ a sì lè rí ìdájọ́ òdodo lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad? Kí lè ròyìn? Ṣé a sì lè rí ìdájọ́ òdodo? Ṣé mo pé bàbá Mohbad sọ̀rọ̀ kan pé tí ikú yóò bá pani, tòde ò lè pani? Ó jọ gàté kò jọ gàté, ó máa ń fi ẹsẹ̀ méjì tiro báyìí. Ẹ ṣáà má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube channel mi, Adéọmọadé TV. Ẹ tún bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ dẹ̀ like page mi. Ó dàbọ̀.